Ginoo ko. Ay, Ginoo ko. Hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel, no? So for today's video, I'm going to slaughter this goat. Oy, goat! Oy, don't be scared of me. Oy, I am so good. You have a very beautiful butcher. So good. You have a very beautiful butcher, so you don't need to be afraid. You don't need to be afraid. So I'm going to wear these gloves first. Do you want me to wear gloves? Oh, come on. Come here. You come here. You come here. Come here. Here. Oy, do not sungag-sungag me ha. You sungag-sungag me. I will not give you a minute. We're going to kill you very fast. So, I have to wear gloves. There's nothing to be scared of. Una ba to? So I think I will only use one gloves. This is your knife. I will use this knife to cut your neck. Uy! Oh! Okay, let's... Okay, you lie down. Come on. You lie down. Okay, wag mo akong sungagin. You lie down, ha? Oy, be good to me. Be good. I am your beautiful butcher. Hey. So what can you say? Do you like my knife? Oh, I have very nice knife. Oh, here. So I have to tie up you first. I have to tie your... I have to tie your feet. I will tie your feet first. Do not move. Oh, you are so good. Very good. You are a very good. Your channel. It's so heavy. Pahigda na, Daibe.